it will be safer because the other one.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And once it right here, the problem is not really because
The jack is too big.
yeah.
Okay, no.
It would be high enough.
You know, realistically, can you
It's a
come?
unibody. Why can't we just jack it up from the
The
side?
pinch rod, yeah.
Hey, you want? Well,
On the side of it, just jack it up from the side.
or
you
just
lift
that,
the whole thing.
I'm done. Yeah. What are you doing? Get this thing in position.
Ready?
No, I got this. We're good. That's why it's got a screw. There we go. Okay. Oh no, not again. Where's the... Yeah. Looks like I gotta remove that. Sucks. I'm gonna need somebody to watch the jack and where I'm lifting to make sure it's a good spot.
Yeah, sure.
Good?
Why not? Go. You saw what I did to the pinch rod earlier at the waterfalls.
Okay, stay away from
everybody
it.
stand
Stay
clear.
away. We're off that far. Behind you.
Oh shit, I'm locked again. This sucks. I'm removing that as soon as I get home. No, one more, a little more. There. Okay, baby pumps, baby pumps.
Just wait, just wait, just wait.
Should be good? Should be. Let's give it a
yeah.
go. Now you gave that one the business, huh?
Wait, center cap.
Gotta look classy.
What about the rest of it?
Okay, center cap.
That's right.
Center cap.
Okay.
We need that center cap.
I didn't realize you were behind us. Or did you? Good? All right, coming down.
Clear? You have to watch it. Go.
Damn. That was good. That was pretty good, honestly. I mean, that was actually kind of impressive.
Like a pit stop?
Yeah, like sort of a pit stop. Like a long off-road version.